Can't cuss bad word on it.
If you want,
Yeah, man, I hear a word, man.
you're a word. If anything, we just beep it out.
Yeah, close bad word.
With another reggae boy fan.
Hold on, interview him first.
And a little reggae boy fan as well. You get me? So the two of them. First of all, how are you feeling after today's game?
I think that the reggae boys will start off the game a bit poor. We have a midfield problem for the last 2 years. We don't fix it all
2 years,
now.
you say?
Yeah, man,
That's a
probably
200.
even longer than that
Yeah,
still.
yeah.
So until we fix the midfield problem, we're always have a problem because we can't transition the ball from defense to midfield to forward. The Asian team played well. They came to defend. The goalkeeper, I believe, is man of the match for the Asian side.
Yep.
We have some work to do. We have some players I don't think should be called back to the side.
But I want to hear some players, because nobody name some players. Some players depend on nobody birth certificate. I want to know them governments. Who are the some players that should not be
all right. One, Javian Brown. Yeah, him kind of look shaky still.
Yeah.
Very, very shaky. Him play good in the previous probably a year and a half, but right now him kind of look shaky. It's still a side to build on, but I believe that we have a whole heap of opportunity areas to look on as well. So we have to just watch and see how we progress, because the season's still young, yeah?
Alright, so 30 minutes gone in the first half. Jamaica would have been down 2-0. Yeah. What were your thoughts at that particular moment? Because I know mine were not pretty at all.
Well, to be honest with you, I would expect us to win 4-2, because based off how the side construct, I never expect us to lose. Because I still believe that we have a decent enough side to win in terms of the attacking talents that we have. But until we fix the midfield problem, we can confidently expect Jamaica to score goals every single time they play a game.
You speak about the midfield. Do you see any possible candidates to bolster our midfield out there that's not in the national team right now?
Honestly, I don't really know the rest of the team, so I don't know who out there. But what I know, we have to go find someone in England who have them grandfather with a birth paper who come from Jamaica and bring them to the side. You understand?
Managing to come back and score 2 goals, right? At the end of the day, we get something instead of nothing. How did you feel when, of course, Demar Gray managed to get that goal to bring us back in the game?
To be honest with you, I wasn't really worried about coming back. I was more worried in terms of how long the coach will take to make a change. Because based on how I see the side playing, I know that it was possible for us to come back from a deficit and even win the game. But a draw is better than a loss, so we work with it, alright?
You said the Haitian goalkeeper, the man of the match. I concur, but from the Jamaican standpoint, who do you think was our man of the match today?
Man of the match for Jamaica, I think Pinnock played well. That's the centre half, right? Yeah, man, him play well. I think, given the fact that we go down because of 2 defensive laps in the 30 minutes, I think that Pinnock they kind of give us some chance, you know, for really get the team confident and going. But we still have a midfield problem. So that's the big problem there for me.
All right, thank you so much for talking to us.
Yeah, man, take care.
All right.